cooking show, guys. It is amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I just come off of the road and basically I received a call yesterday, 2 calls from Jamaica, and I broadcast it on my phone, and I said to my fans, some of my fans, man, you know me, like Facebook and other places. I said to them, so listen, there is a bad curry, come from China. They said that chemical get into the curry and it got poison in it. Basically I do the broadcast, but basically what I want to say, I want to do a video for my YouTube for my fans to let them know that just be careful of the curry which you are buying, and please look at the ingredients. Basically I want to say the curry didn't reach England, but it reached Jamaica and some part of America. The curry powder is they said the curry powder is from China and chemical get into it. If anyone have any more information, I would say please leave your comments below. That's others can see exactly what's going on. As Chef Ricardo know that I'm a chef, and anything, just to let my fans know, I will definitely make sure I talk it up, because I respect my fans. So I just want to say, guys, be careful of where you using the curry powder and stuff. I know that it didn't reach England, but if you are in Jamaica, I know I have a family in Jamaica, I got friends in Jamaica, I got my fans in Jamaica, I got fans in America, all over the whole place, so I just want to do the video to say, guys, just be careful of the curry powder which you have been using, and please check it. Don't get scared, and keep carrying on. Just look at the things that you're gonna be buying and be careful of where you get it from, because they said there's some curry powder come from China and it got chemical get in it, and it reached Jamaica, it reached some part of America. So we just don't want anything to happen to none of us and our fans. And it's 2017, guys. We don't know what's going on. There's so much things going on right now in this world because of these sick and crazy people. So we have to look after ourselves, because if we doesn't look after ourselves, no one gonna be looking after us. Alright? So please, I'm saying, please subscribe, share the video, and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All I wanna say, there is some bad curry powder. That's what I heard. I get the video. I will send my friend of mine phoned me up and just give me the message, and another chef friend tell me, and they got a video at the moment. It's on Facebook, it's all over the whole place. That video is talking about the bad curry. So guys, thank you so much for tuning into the show. We've got a lot more ideas and a lot more stuff coming. If many people doesn't hear, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year again from Chef Ricardo. We love you, and stay tuned, and we've got a lot more stuff coming. See you next time. Bye bye.